In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to load in your template on Canva. Whether you're new to Canva or just looking to streamline your design process, this guide will walk you through it effortlessly. Let's dive right in. To get started, the first thing you need to do when you're in Canva is navigate to your dashboard. Once there, you'll want to locate and click on the Create button. This is your gateway to a world of design possibilities where you can let your creativity shine. Don't worry if it seems a bit overwhelming at first. Canva is designed to be user-friendly, and you'll get the hang of it in no time. Next, it's time to decide on the type of design you want to create. For today's example, we'll focus on an Instagram post. But remember, Canva offers a multitude of design options ranging from presentations and business cards to social media posts and more. Choose a design type that aligns with your project's needs. Selecting the right format is crucial as it sets the stage for your design journey. Now, having settled on our Instagram post, let's move forward. The next step involves clicking on the Design option. This brings up a search feature where you can look for your preferred template. Canva offers a vast library of templates, catering to a variety of themes and occasions. Spend a moment to explore this library. It's a wonderful opportunity to gather inspiration and find a template that truly speaks to your style and the message you want to convey. Once you've zeroed in on a template that catches your eye, it's time to customize it. Here's where you choose your template style color. This step is pivotal because color sets the mood and tone of your design. Think about the message you want to communicate and choose colors that resonate with that message. Whether you opt for something bold and vibrant or subtle and elegant, make sure it aligns with your overall vision. And there you have it. You've successfully loaded your template in Canva and are ready to customize it to your heart's content. Play with fonts, add images, include text, and tweak colors to make the design uniquely yours. Remember, Canva is all about creativity. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. Save your work frequently as you go. It's a good habit to get into to prevent any accidental loss of your creative efforts. I hope you found this guide helpful and feel more confident using Canva to bring your design ideas to life. Be sure to explore all the features Canva has to offer, and remember that practice makes perfect. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!